Hello everyone and welcome to the wine cellar. Yes, that's what I call my computer. This is Cooking with Linux in case you don't know. And in case you don't know, I'm Marcel Gagne. I'm the Cooking with Linux dude. Oh, and before you do anything else, let me see. Let's just check the date. Oh yeah, there we go. It's the 12th of September 2019. So before you do anything else on the 12th of September 2019 and any date thereafter, make sure you like, subscribe, all that kind of crap like that there. Did I really say that? Never mind. It doesn't really matter. It doesn't. I'm just here for some fun. Okay, I want to tell you today about Vim. All right. Well, I want to tell you about Vim and I want to tell you about Emacs. Okay, but really the question is, which one should you use, Vim or Emacs? Well, this can be answered in a very simple way by first of all going into Vim. All right, and when you're in Vim, there are things you can do, like you can ask for help, and there are all sorts of different help topics that will show you how you can actually learn to use this editor. And if you're feeling in a grumpy mood, it will even help you smile. Isn't that nice? Isn't that nice? You can do that with Vim. That's the sort of thing that makes it very, very useful. Let's say that what you're trying to find out is the answer to life, the universe, and everything. Help 42, as we know, that's the answer. What you're looking for really is the question. And unfortunately, as it points out up here, Douglas Adams, the only person who actually knew what this question really is, unfortunately dead. So, well, maybe that's not very useful. Well, let's just get out of the help for a second here. If you really need help, like really need help, you put an exclamation point at the end of it. Oh, don't panic. I guess that's a Douglas Adams reference as well. What about ni? Do demand a shrubbery? Yes, as a matter of fact, I do demand a shrubbery. Let's see. What other sorts of fun things can we do with this? Help spoon. Fork or spoon. For executing external commands, fork exec. Oh, you can use either fork or spoon. Both of those actually work if you want to go that route. See, there he goes. For executing external commands, there you can go. And one of the things that, of course, you run across on a regular basis in Unix is, of course, the bar. As in, let's go insert, and I go something, and then I bar or pipe it to something else. Now, what the heck does that even mean? Well, we can find out what all these things mean inside Vim by doing help, and then what's bar? Help bar, and it says right here, to screen column count in the current bar, ceci n'est pas une pipe. Oh, all right. I guess that's the tragedy of images, or anyway, that's a Marguerite, isn't it? That's the Marguerite, the famous painting, with the pipe. Anyway, so really, it's an extremely helpful system if you want to decide to go ahead and use Vim over something else. And what is that something else? Well, that something else is probably Emacs. And as you probably know, Q exclamation point, as you probably know, first of all, I know, and by the way, if you're ever getting bored, you can do this, user getting bored, and it will help you out with that as well. There you go. When the user presses the same key 42 times, somebody really liked Douglas Adams. Really liked Douglas Adams and Monty Python as well. But as we all know, Emacs is the other editor that you might want to find yourself using, especially if you have no other choice. So let's go Emacs. Now, oops, I haven't even installed Emacs. So let's do this. Sudo apt install Emacs. See? I practically answered the question right there as to, whether you should use Vim or Emacs, but just for the heck of it, let's install Emacs, shall we? Apt install Emacs. This is, of course, as I've already pointed out, the other big editor in the Linux world, okay? This is the other big editor in the Linux world. All right, let's see, 45%. So how you guys doing anyway? Having a nice day? Did you like your summer? It's almost over, It's like September, what did I say? It was September 12th. And oh, it's all done. And it's going to get cool. Some of the leaves are already starting to change colors. It's really sad, actually. Anyway, Emacs. Emacs is, of course, the other editor. Now, there is a big problem with Emacs, okay? A huge problem with Emacs, okay? It's that it's extremely complicated. No one actually knows how to use Emacs. And this is like a huge problem with Emacs. So let me see here. I'm going to write myself down something like, first of all, let me see. Oh yeah, you're right. You have to go escape X to be able to do anything in Emacs. And then, of course, like there's like a whole manual that's built in. It's really complicated. frankly, if you're using emacs, you need a psychiatrist. And luckily, there's one built into emacs. I'm a psychotherapist. See, it's built into emacs. Each time you finish talking, type return twice. Hello, doctor. I need help. How do you do? What brings you to see me? I need help. Didn't you hear me the first time? Why do you say you need help? Because I am using emacs. Is it because you're using emacs that you came to see me? Yes. I see. Well, what makes you believe this is so? Can you help me or not? Earlier you said you're using emacs. See, this is the problem with emacs. At least, if I'm using Vim, Control Z, B, G, we'll throw that in the background, Vim, at any point I can ask for help on a variety of topics, just like this, and some of them are actually useful. Anyway, that's it. Vim versus Emacs, those are the two editors, and this is why you should use one or the other. This one, because as we know, this one will make you smile, and Emacs because, frankly, you need a psychiatrist. That's it. We're all done for today. Thank you very much. If you like what I'm doing here on Cooking with Linux, please leave a comment, thumbs up, thumbs down. I don't really care. Share with your friends, neighbors, dogs, cats, elephants, goldfish, friends, enemies, loved ones, hated ones. Share. And, hey, yeah, I'll be right there. Hold on. I'll talk to you later. Bye.